In 1932, Australia wasn't just fighting the Great Depression. Its biggest threat, an army of angry birds. This is the unbelievable story of the Great Emu War in Western Australia. Over 20,000 emus were on the move, destroying wheat crops farmed by army veterans. The farmers were desperate and begged the government for help. The solution? Deploy the military. Major G.P.W. Meredith led the charge with machine guns and 10,000 rounds of ammo. The first ambush was a disaster. The emus just scattered into small, speedy groups, making them impossible targets. They even tried mounting a machine gun on a truck, but the emus were just too fast. The military was completely humiliated. After firing thousands of bullets, they only managed to take down a few hundred birds. The media had a field day, calling it the Emu War. Less than a month later, the soldiers were withdrawn. The emus had officially won. Thanks for watching.